Hey up YouTube, I'm Eric, thank you for clicking on the video, and today is the day Chuu has made her comeback with her third mini album, Only Cry in the Rain, with the title track is also being Only Cry in the Rain. So obviously we're gonna do a little reaction to the music video, so let's get right into it. Right, got the video pulled up. Only Cry in the Rain, let's go. Nice little, like, school. I don't know what that means. Are there subtitles? Actually, hold on. Oh, there are. Okay. So, run it back. Please put the subtitle. Ah! Only Cry in the Rain. Upping her steady. Oi! Oi! Some spice. Who's this man? Oh? Cry in the Rain? Train! Oh, some anime? Animation? Strong? Oh? Bird. Okay, so I'm gonna instantly play that back because I feel like there's a lot of dynamics I didn't really get the first time watching. Because, like, why cry? Is she, like, leaving or is she, like, coming back? Because that's the thing I didn't really get. I don't think I was paying attention enough, but let's go again. So obviously we have Chuu here in, like, a school locker, 692. What's up, camcorder? That's her. Say end. F. End backwards. Interesting. Like, what's up, homie? What is the dynamic here? Imagine charms. Okay, so there's a C and I think that's an I. So I'm assuming they're just like, yeah, matching what's it called, keychains. So nice. Classic anime trope. And it's like, he'll join his bird, don't care what they think. How dare you? They work so hard. Swimming pool. Or slide. Looked like swimming pool at first. Maybe it is. Why you eating like that, huh? Such a confusing dynamic of these three. Like, clearly there's a relationship of Chuu and the other girl, but this told me, what's your deal? What's your deal? And this Chuu just like suddenly cries in the rain. What's up? What's in the background? This one. Looks like Cinderella, right? Cats, people circling, friendship, card. Okay. What is this? She puts the C down. And Chuu and other girl. So someone takes the C for Chuu. Oh, butterfly. Nice. Nice. The thing that ties all of LOONA together. The butterfly. It takes the key ring and the two follow her. But then why does Chuu leave? Is what I'm trying to find out here. Girl catches up to comfort her. Okay. So I'm seeing, I think I've figured out the story because it's like, I think these three are like just a friend group and Chuu cries because she's leaving. And this is like before she leaves. And you see in the beginning here, we have her return, I think, right? Or is it the other way around? I think that's how it was. So Chuu's crying because she's leaving? Or a person in her friend group is leaving? So it has to be Chuu because she has the luggage over here. So very abstract story. So very interesting. Nice little bird as her eye. Very interesting. Chuu waving goodbye, them leaving goodbye. Interesting. It's just a memory that they recorded together. Okay, so now that I have an idea of what the story might be, I'm just gonna try play through this again. Because I know this is probably gonna be a little bit longer than like my initial reactions, but this is a very interesting story that I'm curious about. They're not giving us like a whole clear dynamic between all of them. Okay, so we got homie. Yeah. What's up, homie? So clearly he has the like flannel, and this is Chuu returning. So what I'm assuming this is just like a meetup point. Not when she leaves, but like maybe before. Like yeah, definitely before she leaves, and they're just meeting at this like train station. Homie's trying to be nonchalant about it. And this scene is when Chuu returns. So they're just like chilling. Hanging out. Yeah, she has a flannel. He has a, or she has a backpack. He has a flannel. Same as we have at the beginning scenes. These two just hanging out. Matching keychains. So homie, I'm assuming homie got a bad grade and he's a little ticked off these two did better. So, how dare you? Acting all smug about it. It's like another outfit change. So another day. So it is meetup, original meetup. This dude barely mentioned the vibes. So I'm feeling there was a moment where Chuu was like, oh yeah, I have to leave. And that's where she put her like keychain thing down. This is her losing her mind, like, I don't want to go. He takes her keychain and starts running away. These two chase after. This is them just hanging out again. This is when she finds her and the hood is like, he's gonna be okay. And this is when Chuu has to leave. Tell by the little luggage over here. Cool. Angels. Bird. And that diegetic sound. Sick. All right. So yeah, Only Cry in the Rain. Chuu's third music video as a soloist. Tyler Check music video as a soloist. But I think it was really good. Even though I was mainly focusing on the music video element this time around, instead of just like fully immersed in the song. But I think really good regardless. Both of them. Song and music video. It's a ridiculous change from Chuu's Let's Come Back with Strawberry Rush and how it's all let me just throw in everything this editing software has and call that a video. And now we actually have a comprehensible story. So Chuu meets up with her friend group, he has fun, and at some point she figures out she has to leave them at some point. Then she tries to sneak away, and then their friends follow her. And they're like, oh, it's gonna be okay, Chuu. And then she leaves, and that's generally the music video. So I think that's pretty cool. If that's what I've pulled from the story from this so far. Like, I could be wrong. I don't know. That's just off my first, 3 watches. Super cool music video. Figure out how everything plays out song-wise. Absolutely amazing. Hopefully the other songs in the albums are just as great. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of Chuu's Only Cry in the Rain music video and the album in the description down below. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.